Hey guys, we're playing White Noise, and this is like, shut up, Ryan. See, this is White Noise. I'm freaking scared as fuck, and I'm about to start playing. Just let me adjust some lights here.
Turn them all on? Oh, thank God.
Okay, let's see if that's bad quality. Cause I'm a sissy. Yeah, it's still good quality. Okay, so we have some lights on. But it's okay because it's still good quality. So let's play this not scary game because I'm not scared. You know, special modes. This feature is locked in. Oh yeah, okay. So we're just playing the trial, guys, because I'm too freaking scared to buy the actual game.
Yeah, I'm cowarding right here.
Yeah, my friend's cow. Okay, find all the tape recorders. Okay, so that's flashlight. I used to pick up.
Oh, this is just like Splinter. Oh my God, I'm scared.
Yeah, I'll try to play Splinter on PC soon. Oh God, what's this? Dude, you guys don't know how scared I am right now. Dude, I've seen this on another person. Dude, seriously, stop. Would you like if I did that to you?
No.
Seriously, dude, it's not even funny at this kind of time. Oh my God, dude, this scares shit out of me. What's this? Okay, this is tape recorder. Oh my God, is that fog? Okay, that's a rock. Okay, that's one.
Oh my God, I'm so scared.
Dude, I'm so freaking scared right
This is
now.
probably just like Slender.
I hope not. Okay, so now, that's how you run. LT, right? Yeah, LT you run. Okay, well I don't. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh my
What the
God.
fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Run, 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 run. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh, don't look behind you! Don't look behind. You don't want to run. No, fuck no.
Please.
Fuck that. Fuck that shit. 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 I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. Okay. Dude, I'm fucking scared. Dude, this is not fucking funny anymore. Oh my God. Dude, can we just come to an agreement here? Is he gone? I think he's gone, guys. Okay, there's another tape recorder. Let's run to it fast. Oh my God. Dude, I am like... Oh no. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Go!
Oh my God.
Dude, I'm seriously about to freaking wet my pants.
I gotta pee so bad.
I don't want to turn around, but I do. Oh my God, now I understand why people like to turn around, Slender. Oh my God. I always say don't turn around, then I do it myself and look like fucking queer. Okay, good, I think we're good. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Is this a gate? Can we get out, please? Let me out.
Oh, that's how you zoom.
Oh God, that's a house.
It's a bus stop.
Oh fuck that shit. Is there a recorder in there?
Oh, he's getting close.
Yeah, fuck that shit.
There might be a recorder.
I don't care. There probably is a recorder in there. But dude, I do not give a shit.
Let's see why your friend wanted you to play it.
Yeah, this was recommended to me by a friend. Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit. This is recommended to me by one of my friends, and I just want to say that I hate him right now. Oh my God, dude. I love it. I like...
Oh my God!
Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit.
You look like a bunch of pussies right now.
I know, we look like so pussies. Dude, is this where it stops? Can I seriously not go any farther? Oh shit. Oh shit. No, run. 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 Fuck this shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit.
Are you just stand on one spot?
No, Ryan. I am not standing in one frickin' spot. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? Ryan. Dude, I'm like shaking. Dude, what the fuck is that? Dude, that's not even funny.
Where's the achievements?
Dude, I don't want no achievements from this shit. Okay, we're going in here. There's nothing in here, dude.
Right now.
Where? Holy shit! Holy shit. Okay, run. 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 Can he kill you? Can he kill you? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Oh yeah. Okay, I guess he just want to be friends. Hey, why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Why can't we? Do you want to be friends? Hello?
Just kidding.
Hello? Okay, I guess it's gone. Oh shit, no, he doesn't want to be friends. He does not want to
Maybe he
be.
wants a hug, Josh.
Oh yeah, maybe he wants to hug.
Walk
You
up
want
to
a
him.
hug? You want a hug? Oh shit, no, he doesn't want a hug.
Walk up to him.
Nope, 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 fuck that. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit.
He needs a good friend.
He may want a friend, but I ain't giving him any friendship.
Why are you so mean to the poor guy?
I can give you a friend, but it'll not be me.
Why is your flashlight flipping?
Holy shit.
Where is he? Turn it on. Oh. Stop spinning in circles, you're gonna make me sick. Never turn your flashlight off in Slender.
Why?
Because when you turn it on, he'll be right in front of you.
Dude, if he just pops out in front of me, he'll piss my pants.
Don't turn around.
Holy shit.
It's
Oh.
not as bad. I thought it would be worse.
Oh my god.
I thought
No,
it'd be
dude.
action.
I don't do good with scary games, okay?
I thought it'd be worse.
Is that
Yeah,
it?
it's fine.
Okay. Oh my god.
That was kind of nerve-wracking.
Oh my god, guys. Okay. I almost pissed myself. I'm wanting to watch the full game.
Alright. Alright, I'm done with that game.
Okay, we're done with that game. We'll look for scary games.
We will.
Yep, we're looking for demos tonight. Tonight's gonna be a horror. So be on the lookout for more horror games. Thank you, and bye.